Today we're working on a 2007 Yaris. The car's been well used, but it's not in bad shape. The customer simply couldn't justify a full interior cleanse, because a full interior cleanse basically will, well, it's a whole day and a half's work pretty much on a car of this condition. So what we've done is we said, well, why don't you get the car valeted and we will clean the fabrics. And that's exactly what we're going to do now. So there's a lot of tide marks on these seats and just wear and ingrained dirt. We do have a spillage on the back here. Could be, it smells like vomit. Just areas on the backs of the front seats which are soiled. We also have some fabric on the door panels. So we're going to deal with those areas. The car washes simply will not be able to achieve the same results as we can. And the fabrics are going to be deep cleaned and sanitized as well using micro cleanse. All the other cleaning on this vehicle, the customer's going to do himself. So let's come back to this in a couple of hours time and see how it's looking then. We return back to this Toyota Yaris. The seats have all been deep cleansed using micro cleanse. All those stains have been removed from the rear bench seats and also the fronts from the back of the front seats there. So that's now cleaned, sanitized. We've also included the fabrics on the doors because they were a little bit grubby. So we've done that. Okay, there you have it. The rest of the car now really needs to be valeted, and I think it will come up really nice for an older car. There you go.